Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your ULEFONE Armor X12 is blacklisted. Alright, so let's begin. We are on the IMEI info page, and now we need to type our IMEI number in this bar, and now we need to click on check IMEI. If you don't know how to check the IMEI number, in here you have a quick instruction how you can do it. Okay, once you have done that, click on check IMEI. Now our Armor X12 appeared on the screen. Now, to find out is it blacklisted, we need to scroll down, and we have two options. We can perform the simple check or order the premium version of it. Let's begin with the simple one. Click check blacklist status. Now we need to wait up to 20 seconds. And now we have our answer that our device is clean, so everything is fine with it. Below we can see the date when the report was created at, and from here we can also order the premium version of it. As you scroll down, you can see that it costs $4. Time needed for it is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. In here you have a comparison how it can look like when device is blacklisted and how when it's clean. When it comes to the premium version of the blacklist check, when device is blacklisted, the result contains the manufacturer, blacklist status, blacklist reason, by who it was blacklisted, the blacklisted country, and the date when it was blacklisted. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.